Welcome to Buddy Developer. Still dealing with a slow WordPress website? Your database might be overloaded with junk data. Let me show you the top 3 database optimization plugins that clean your database and speed up your site quickly and safely. Let's get started. Number 1, WP Optimize. WP Optimize is one of the most popular all-in-one optimization plugins for WordPress. It helps you clean unnecessary database data like post revisions, trashed posts, spam comments, and transient options. What makes WP Optimize powerful is that it also allows scheduled database cleanups, so your site stays optimized automatically. It even includes image compression and caching features, making it a solid all-in-one solution. Best for beginners who want easy database cleanup with automation. Number 2, Advanced Database Cleaner. Advanced Database Cleaner is perfect if you want more control over what gets deleted. It scans your database and shows unused tables, orphaned options, and leftover data from uninstalled plugins. Unlike basic cleaners, this plugin lets you review everything before deleting, which is great for safety. You can also schedule cleanups and clean databases on multi-site installations. Best for users who want deep cleaning and full control. Number 3, WP Sweep. WP Sweep is a lightweight plugin that cleans your WordPress database using native WordPress delete functions, making it very safe. It removes post revisions, auto drafts, deleted comments, unused terms, and duplicate metadata. There are no complicated settings. Just install, review, and sweep your database with one click. Because it doesn't add extra load, it's perfect for minimal and performance-focused websites. Best for users who want safe, lightweight, one-click database cleanup. Want automatic cleanup and beginner-friendly UI? Go with WP Optimize. Want advanced control and deep database cleaning? Choose Advanced Database Cleaner. Want simple, lightweight, and safe cleanup? WP Sweep is perfect. A clean database means a faster website, better performance, and improved user experience. Like, subscribe, and follow for more WordPress tips. We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thanks for watching.